Hey everybody, come with me to check out this adorable historic restoration project, completely renovated at 912 West 6th Street here in Bloomington, just a couple blocks away from the Beeline and Blooming Foods and Farmers Market and shops and restaurants and all that good stuff. You will love this one. Come take a look. Here we are on the front porch. Just wanted to show this to you. Isn't this just the cutest? And you're way up high here, which is nice. You sit up off the road. You don't have headlights or anything like that. Like you feel a little, just a little elevated. Okay, let's go inside. So, popular gable L layout that we've all seen in Bloomington. Oops, let me do that. Where there's two front doors. So this is the one that was typically being used. Historic original doors. Got some original wood floors on this side. I think they're probably pine and they were painted. Over on this side, you'll see that they're original. So this is sort of the great room. So one of the things I love about this house is that because it's been completely renovated, when the current owners purchased it, it was gutted. So it was just big open space. So they really put a lot of time and thought into how to make this a livable for modern people. So they created this open floor plan. So you've got a living room here. There's quite a bit of furniture in here. Lots of big windows. Most of the windows have been updated or newer. 10-foot ceilings, ceiling fan. Let me swing around here so you can see that. And then I love some of these details, like an arched doorway. You can see throughout the house some of the things, if they weren't original, like this door and light, that they were reclaimed or salvaged from other places. But to me, like the really cool part, these kitchen cabinets, these were reclaimed from a 1930s house. So they were salvaged, kept out of the landfill, repurposed, and they just fit perfectly in this space. Butcher block countertops. This is a custom kitchen island, but incorporating the 1930s cabinets. Just really fun. I'll give you a quick peek out the back. I love these doors. And all of the exterior doors have these transoms. I don't think they're functional, but just bring in extra light. They were actually functional back in the day before we had air conditioning. A nice sized backyard. We'll go out and take a look around there. Then you've got room for a table. Again, there's quite a bit of furniture in here too, so plenty of space. It's not a huge house, but there is plenty of space. Then this comes into the bedroom wing, if you will. We would call this the east wing. That's the west wing. So there's two rooms over here. This front one is the smaller of the two. It has this really cool door, the archway, mirror the archways. Love that. There is room for a guest bed in here if you want it. I really think this is probably a great office. You can sit here and look out on the porch and on the street. And then there's a Jack and Jill bathroom that goes between the two bedrooms. So I'm going to go around and then come back. Again, 10-foot ceilings in here as well. Look at this light fixture. Let me see. It's just really cool. Okay. So down this nice deep hallway, certainly there is room here for a piece of furniture or something with some hooks or a bench. I would definitely, if it were me, I would do some more built-ins, like for linen closet, cleaning storage, that kind of thing. This front bedroom, office room here does not have a built-in closet. What had been used in the past was this. It's like a laundry closet, and they had rods up here for hanging things. And there's a stackable washer and dryer that's included. I also want to point out on this floor that they tied the two sections together because they see this is how much thought they've put into it. They've got the original wood, but then they've painted around the edge, and the wood direction changes a little bit so that that's all tied together with the other side. Okay, continuing on. So this is the main bedroom. This is a queen size bed. It's actually a good size room. Especially if you had the bed maybe like tucked in the corner. But there's like, look, one window, two windows, three windows, door, transom window, 10-foot ceilings. So a lot of light in here. And then there is some pull down stairs for attic storage. That could have the potential there's some potentials in this home for some renovations or additions. You maybe could do something with the attic space. There is this area out here, again, we'll look at this when we go outside, that could be an addition. The home is protected by Bloomington Restorations. So that's exterior covenants and restrictions. Exterior changes have to be approved by Bloomington Restorations. But anything you do on the inside does not need to be approved. But there has already been talk and discussion about doing like a dining room or a sunroom or something like that, or screened in porch or something back here. So I think that would be very doable. And then the bathrooms, they all have pocket doors. So again, Jack and Jill kind of between the two rooms. You've got just a very functional bathroom with this historic penny tile. I know it probably looks crazy when you look at it on the screen. Sorry, there's like all these dots, but we get close up. This is a penny tile that was a historic pattern developed back in the 1900s, right at the turn of the century. Again, 10-foot ceilings in here as well. All right, let's take a look out back. Okay, so this is the area I was showing you through the bedroom window, which is right there, that probably was something at one point in time, because you can sort of see where the foundation wall is. There is some stairs down here underneath this that are not used, that at one point went to a cellar. Part of the house is on a cellar. That's where the mechanicals are. Everything has been updated. Furnace, water heater, air conditioning. The roof and the gutters are newer. The foundation has had work done, and it's a really pretty foundation with limestone block. A lot of them in this neighborhood are on piers, but that's not the case here. Everything, all the drywall on the inside is new. All the appliances are new. Everything has been updated. You just shouldn't have to worry about anything coming into this house. But it's a nice deep backyard. There's a shed back there. They've got a little bit of like pet fencing up. And then there's an alley that runs along the back. So you can see some of these homes, like the one over here, I don't know if you can see that or not, through the trees, they've got a garage that comes in off of the alley. That might be something that you could get approval for as well. But you've got nice, deep, fairly private, and you're just, again, blocks away from downtown at 912 West 6th Street. I loved the view. My favorite picture of all the pictures my photographer did, which is kind of weird, was just, and I'm going to turn around and show you, is straight back. I just think that is so lovely. I love those doors, the transoms. You throw a little picket fence in there. So cute. Come out and take a look.